I'm Erica Crisostomo, and this is my output number 3. According to the trait theory, leaders are born with natural qualities like confidence, intelligence, and courage. Leadership is something that already comes with them. However, the process or transformational theory states that leaders are made through experiences, learning, and interaction with people, which means leadership skills can be developed over time. Personally, I believe more in the process or transformational theory because even if someone is not born a leader, they can still be one through experiences and learning. For example, Steve Jobs was not born a perfect leader, but through failures, challenges, and continuous learning, he grew into one of the most influential entrepreneurs in the world. We can also see this in Elon Musk, who faced setbacks but used his experiences to innovate and lead in technology and business. As for myself, I see myself as someone who was not born a leader, but I believe that with learning, practice, and experiences, I can develop the qualities of a good leader.